All right, so this week, video 3. We're doing a series called Building on Beehiiv. We are launching a newsletter called Leading Product, and by we, I mean myself and my friend Rob Wormley from Pistachio. So we've gone through and set up the design. I've got content migrated over, so if we go to posts, in here I can see I actually migrated a lot of the posts from my personal blog. And they came over pretty nicely, I'll say. I can go through here and edit the post so you can see what it looks like. But it kept the different blocks that I had in WordPress. It kept headlines, kept typos, which I need to stay on top of. And I believe it brought in my images and stuff too. So the content import went really well. If you're moving from Substack or you want to bring your content from blog or whatever, it's pretty easy to do. The dashboard, you can see we have a couple subscribers now. We haven't launched yet, but I like how it gives you those stats and kind of keeps your eyes on the prize right away. So we went through settings, and I think we set up the design lab, which is kind of like generally how everything looks. Which you see we have this kind of retro style, this soft primary color palette. And we got our mascot and everything. So this is kind of how the emails will look in general. If I go back and we go into the website area, they have some settings for how you want everything to look, what you want your layout to look like. And so if I go to leadingproduct.link, we're actually live already. Or we should be. There it is. So weird redirect on that side of things. I changed the layout. The newspaper layout kind of pushed this subscription thing down. So it shows you featured posts first, so you can have multiple featured posts, which I need to add. And then it gives you kind of the content chronologically. And so I need to go back and update some of these posts I imported to have new images. But this is what the page looks like once you're subscribed. And then if you're not subscribed, it's just a kind of a landing page with a subscription kind of pop-up or gate to have you go there first. So I went through today, and let me see if I can find this. Set up the Beehiiv partner account so that I can basically, if I am going to talk about Beehiiv and other people end up signing up for it, I can earn commission and potentially a trip to Hawaii or whatever they're giving away. So it models like you can earn revenue this way. And I was going to show you all, in case you're interested, some of the emails they sent, because it was a pretty smooth process. I basically had to put in my name, my email, and then they sent me a couple emails, like confirm your email address for the partner program and log in. So it's a separate platform to log into, which is fine. This is another confirmation to just fill out a different enrollment form. So it was a type form. It was kind of the same information, not a big deal. It went pretty quick. And then they actually sent me a W-9 that was pre-populated with the information that I already give them. So that way they're filing the tax paperwork appropriately. And it took me 2 seconds. They used PandaDocs. So I had my information in there. I clicked a few different fields and finished it, and it's already there. And then that was it. I mean, I have it set up. I got my link. You'll see it in the YouTube kind of description. It's in there. I shortened it with the MikeBall.link. But that's all there. So what we're working on now is getting our posts ready, getting our payment accounts if we're going to do any of that set up, and then getting some of the general just kind of automations in place. So the welcome emails we were working on last week. So if I go to, I think I have to go to publication. The welcome email is kind of hidden. I think it's down here on this main one. You can go to view and update. So I haven't sent it yet. I can edit it, and it shows all the content that I have in here right now. That's Rob and I from 12 years ago or something like that. Links to all of our stuff. So we've got that queued up, go through it, and then we're going to try to get some organization of the content so we can maybe cater to specific people based on their interests, get a forum set up so you can let us know what kind of stuff you want us to be writing about, and get everything going. So I do really appreciate that Beehiiv has a lot of learning resources in here. They have a paid course, which is pretty expensive, but has some heavy hitters, and they have basically Beehiiv 101 plus tutorials. And they keep their updates out because they ship a lot of products. So it's easy to keep a pulse on what's new and what features are coming out. I'm thinking a lot of the stuff that I want to do is probably on the next plan up, but I'm going to wait till we have a few more subscribers in here, and that includes sponsorships, it includes promoting and doing boosts and some of the things that help you gain subscribers quickly and also monetize your newsletter. So I'm going to wait till we get a few more, but the referral program, they use these lightning bolts to show you what's gated. So magic links, things like that. One-click subscribe. So I didn't even know this was here. So these are cool things. Custom magic link. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, there's a lot in here we haven't even explored yet. We'll get to it as we keep working on this. Hopefully the next one we write or video record will actually be getting the draft queued up and ready to go and actually sending out a newsletter. We're going to spend the next few days trying to get a few more subscribers so that we're actually sending it to a decent amount of human people, and then we'll go from there.